Socotra is a Yemeni archipelago of 6 islands in the Indian Ocean off the coast of the Horn of Africa near the Gulf of Aden, located about 240 kilometers (150 miles) east of the coast of Somalia and 380 kilometers (240 miles) south of the Arabian Peninsula. The archipelago includes a main island, Socotra, and 5 other islands. The length of the island is 125 kilometers, its width is 42 kilometers, and the length of the coastline is 300 kilometers. The island's capital is Hadabo, and the population of the island, according to the 2004 census, was 175,020 people. Socotra is famous for the production of sand and incense. Its importance and frequency increased to the peoples of the civilizations of the ancient world who looked at sacred goods with a view of reverence for incense and various perfumes, and they called the land that produces these goods the Holy Land, and that is why Socotra was called the Island of Socotra by the ancient Greeks and Romans, the Island of Happiness. Specialized scientists indicate that there are more than 900 species of rare trees and plants in the world, of which about 300 species are found only in Socotra. They consider it the only tropical island in the world that still retains its rare natural and environmental characteristics from the moment it was formed. As for the animals that are said to be found only on the island and its archipelago, there are 6 types of endemic birds that are not found elsewhere. Given that the island and its archipelago are free of predators, many types of domestic animals were found, as well as reptiles, which include rare lizards, snakes and scorpions. The waters surrounding the archipelago are teeming with a real wealth of aquatic animals, including fish, crustaceans, mollusks and snails, in addition to about 60 types of sponges. The island in general is a nature reserve, although UNESCO has designated some areas as a World Heritage, and it is covered with rare plants and trees that have no equivalent in the world and are not suitable for cultivation anywhere else except in an area called Colencia, like the Blood of the Two Brothers tree, which was estimated scientists are hundreds of years old, and many legends are raised around it.